Hello, Susie Kings, and hello, Susie Queens. This is your WWE YouTube World Susie Heavyweight Champion and Upper World Hold. And you can acknowledge me as the head of the Susie Buffet. And I am your Swappo Susie. Alright guys, welcome back to another big review today because you guys are amazing. Keep it up because our new guys do get involving in originals. Get its battles. Get motivated of you guys making this video makes channel really high. Guys, thank you so much for doing that. We need more support of this channel here and my other channel. Guys, we need the support of that channel. It is experience. Because I got a lot of content for you guys here for you guys. And I want you guys watch it all the way through, not stopping. Because I want positives and money. So that's why. Are you guys ready? So my dad actually made this dinner here. It's a taco casserole. It's this. Oh yeah, it's always the fixes here. I thought you guys good not. Are you guys ready for this? Let's go right into this today. Alrighty. This Diet XO. Here we go. Bam. Get some new goes in. Scoop Susie this is this. That's banned. Come on. It's always this inside. It's good. Come on. And guys, that is it, guys. Here. What's going on today? I got all of my videos edited on my second channel. You can check it out. I have a backlog on WWE. I watched SmackDown, Raw, NXT SmackDown, Penalties, Raw, NXT. After that's done, after the edit is done, we're done. Yeah, we're back in action. And then after that's done, we're going. While I need this, I'm watching Pair of Kings. My new favorite movie, show, by the way. And what's a favorite movie slash TV show on Disney Plus and Hulu TV. Please comment below. And guys, that is it, guys. Yo, you can follow my platforms. You can subscribing, liking, commenting, sharing, and turn on your videos. Guys, we're inside. Come on, and support as well. Please sponsor us. And guys, I got 2 or 3 guys. And the puzzle, and we can tell us that we got puzzle with the guys here on Games' channel. Yes, it's how it's how it's how it's